Welcome to Dream on Wheels. This is the Sunlight Cliff 594x4, a rugged, adventure-ready campervan designed for those who want to go further, explore more, and stay comfortable while doing it. In this video, we'll take a complete tour from its exterior design and off-road features to the interior layout, kitchen, sleeping area, and what it really feels like to travel in it. From the outside, the Cliff 594x4 immediately gives a different impression compared to standard campervans. It looks more rugged, more capable, and clearly built for adventure. The compact 5.9-meter length plays a major role here. It keeps the van easy to maneuver while also improving its ability to handle tighter trails and uneven terrain. But the real highlight is the 4x4 drivetrain. This system provides better traction and control, especially on rough roads, gravel paths, or challenging conditions. Ground clearance is also improved, allowing the vehicle to handle uneven surfaces more confidently. The exterior design reflects its purpose. Protective elements, practical body lines, and a functional layout all contribute to a van that feels ready for off-grid travel. The sliding side door offers easy access, while the rear doors open wide to reveal the storage and sleeping area. Step inside, and the focus shifts from rugged capability to smart space usage. Despite its compact size, the interior feels organized and practical at the front. The driver and passenger seats can rotate to become part of a small lounge area. This creates a usable space for sitting, relaxing, or dining. The table is compact but functional, designed for everyday use without taking up too much room. Large windows allow natural light to enter, helping the interior feel more open during the day. At night, interior lighting creates a warm and comfortable atmosphere. This is a space designed to be simple, efficient, and easy to live in. Moving into the kitchen, the design continues with a focus on functionality. The layout is compact, but everything is placed within easy reach. You get a cooking area with a stove and sink, allowing you to prepare meals while traveling. The countertop space is limited, but it's designed to be used efficiently. Storage is well integrated, with cabinets and drawers providing space for utensils, food, and essentials. A refrigerator is included, allowing you to store fresh items and extend your trips. This kitchen is built for practical, everyday use, especially during off-grid travel. At the rear, the sleeping area provides a comfortable space to rest after a long day. The bed is designed to accommodate 2 people, offering enough room for a good night's sleep. The mattress provides decent support, helping you recover after travel or outdoor activities. Storage is integrated under the bed, allowing you to store gear, equipment, or personal items. This is especially important for adventure travel, where extra storage becomes essential. The rear doors can also be opened to bring in fresh air and connect the interior with the outdoors. The bathroom in the Cliff 594x4 is compact but practical. Inside, you'll find a toilet, sink, and a shower setup. The design focuses on maximizing usability within a small space. While it may not feel spacious, it provides everything needed for daily routines. This is especially valuable when traveling off-grid, where access to facilities may be limited. What truly sets this campervan apart is its ability to support off-grid travel. The 4x4 system allows you to reach locations that standard campervans simply can't access. Combined with efficient energy and water systems, it gives you more freedom to travel independently. This makes it ideal for exploring remote areas, nature spots, and less accessible destinations. Moving into the cockpit, the Cliff 594x4 offers a comfortable and controlled driving experience. The driver and passenger seats are supportive, making long journeys more manageable. The dashboard is clean and easy to use, with controls placed within reach in front of the driver. The instrument cluster is clear and readable. A central infotainment system provides access to navigation and media. Visibility is good, and the compact size makes driving feel more controlled, even in tighter spaces. Once parked, the seats rotate to become part of the living area, adding flexibility. The Sunlight Cliff 594 by 4 delivers a unique balance of off-road performance and compact living, making it a strong choice for adventure-focused travel. If you found this tour helpful, consider subscribing to Dream on Wheels for more campervan and motorhome content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.